Good morning, everyone. This is Tim with MicroCAD. I'm giving you today Tim's top 5 MicroCAD AutoCAD productivity tools. That's this tab I see here in AutoCAD 2024 MicroCAD AutoCAD tools. So I'm going to go through and show you what I think are the 5 most important commands here. So I'm going to start off with this, draw order by layer. So what's this do for me? Well, let's take, for example, we have all these hatches here on a layer called area, but we also have notes and we have flooring and things that we want to show above that hatching, right? So I go here to draw order by layer. I could take the area, which are these hatches, and put that at the bottom. And then I'll take my notes and flooring and put those at the top. And I just say OK. And now those objects get sent to the back, etc. And we do that by layer. So you can imagine what that will do for you, how it makes it easier to control. You know, when you have a lot of objects, it can be difficult to pick all those objects to send to back. Now if you can just say, this layer, this layer, this layer, and you're done. The next tool I want to show you is what we call polyline wipeout. So you see here, I've drawn in here polylines that represent hot water supply to this building. Okay, but it's kind of hard to see exactly where it goes. There's a lot of other stuff in the way. So what we can do is we can go up here to annotate and use polyline wipeout. Okay, I'll use a wipeout distance. We're offsetting 6 feet total. Okay, which objects to use? Those 2 polylines. Hit enter. So then you see how it ends up giving you a wipeout all the way around. Now I've turned off a wipeout frame, but if you want to see this, it's like a regular wipeout, right? So if I go wipeout frame and set that to 1, then I'll see the frame around that. Okay, so next I'm going to show you a couple of calculate tools that we have here in the calculate tab of the AutoCAD tools ribbon there. So I'm going to switch to a named view that I created so we can see this. MicroCAD, AutoCAD tools, here's calculate. This first one's sum of texts. So you can see I've gone through here and labeled each of these line segments with a length. And so I want this tool to add those lengths up for me. I pick them and I hit enter, and it asks me where to put the piece of text that is the sum, and I place it there. You can also do, I'm going to get rid of that. You can also do total length, which is length of the line work. I'll just go put a window around them. It tells me there's 7 lines. Total length is this value. I can copy to the clipboard, and then that way I could paste that into Excel, Word, etc. And lastly, what I wanted to show you is a couple of file access type functions that really speed up keep you from having to browse so much, things like that. Firstly are these couple here, copy to clipboard. Copy the folder path to clipboard, that is where this drawing is stored. So if I do that, and then I call up my Explorer, copy folder, and I'll just paste, and I'm right there where that drawing is. If I do the copy the file, this is for if say I was going to send a file as an email attachment. Well, when I go to attach the file, I just paste what I copy from here into the browser or into the email program, and it attaches the drawing. I don't have to do any browsing. So that's a time saver also for attaching files. Okay, and then these over here, these directly open up folders on the hard drive with your file explorer. Okay, I don't really use my documents a whole bunch. Desktop, yeah, so that's kind of handy, although you can always do your desktop this way, right? But this one is super handy because we use so many different paths, right? We have all these different projects. So you just click this and it opens up File Explorer to the correct path with your drawing there. So that's super handy to me, this. So that's all we have to show today. Thank you very much, and we will talk again.